In this video, I will show you how to add NGL link to Instagram story. So if you actually want to do that, let's first head over right here to our browser and then head over to ngl.link. So this is the NGL that we're talking about right here. So this is an anonymous inbox that people can send message to you without revealing their identity. Click on this right here and you can actually see in here a lot of things. You can click on these 3 lanes that they offer and you can click on this get NGL and then it will be redirected to another website wherein you should be able to install it using your Google Play right here or your App Market. So head over and then install this particular application. So in here, as you can see, this will install this application right here. And then once it's been installed, you can head over and then get the link from that application. So in here, let's head back first on our Instagram while we're still waiting for that. So let's prepare some things once it's actually been added or installed. You can head over right here to your story, and then you can put in here some photos, some videos that you want to use. For example, let's put in here some photos, and let's use this photo right here, a flip copy. Now in here, you can see in here that we have this sort of face icon. So you can head over and click on that. Then click on the search bar right here and search in here for link. You can see in here this link. So when you click on that link, you can head over and add in here a URL. So in order to get that URL, you need to head over to the NGL that we're actually installing right here. So just wait for this right here to finish the installation process. But once you have head over and got your link, you can actually paste it right here. And then you can also customize your sticker text if you want. And once you're done, just click on this done icon right here in order to add your NGL link. So that's the whole process. If you have plans, if you have goals, and to leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.